Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're featuring one of the best jigsaw puzzles in the Bgraamiens collection, the Bgraamiens Puzzle-Cinque Terre Sunset. If you're looking for a rewarding, visually stunning puzzle experience that challenges your mind and elevates your space, you're in for a treat. Right out of the box, this 1,000-piece puzzle makes a statement. Inspired by the breathtaking coastal villages of Cinque Terre in Italy, this design stands out with its stained glass art style, giving it a bold, vibrant, almost luminous aesthetic that feels like a modern mosaic. It doesn't just depict a place, it captures the essence and warmth of an Italian sunset. Let's talk about quality, because this isn't your average puzzle. The pieces are made from thick, high-quality cardboard and are cut with precision using laser technology. That means they snap into place with a satisfying click, fit together seamlessly, and are resistant to wear and tear, even after multiple uses. The surface has a refined texture that prevents glare, making the colors pop without straining your eyes. Now, this isn't just about assembling pretty pieces. This puzzle is designed to be a genuine challenge. The stained glass styling creates a beautifully complex network of color gradients and intricate detail that will test your patience, focus, and problem-solving abilities. It's perfect for anyone who loves a true mental workout, from teens to adults, solo puzzlers to family teams. And once you've completed it, the real magic happens, because this isn't just a puzzle. It's art. Thanks to its unique and eye-catching design, it can be framed and displayed as a stunning decor piece for your home or office. It brings color, culture, and character to any room. It also makes for a thoughtful and engaging gift. Whether you're buying for a puzzle enthusiast, a traveler at heart, or someone who appreciates beautiful things, this puzzle hits all the right notes. Plus, it comes in an elegant, sturdy box with a high-resolution poster inside, perfect for referencing while you build or for gifting straight away. If you're the kind of person who appreciates aesthetics, quality craftsmanship, and a bit of a challenge, then the Bgraamiens Cinque Terre Sunset puzzle belongs on your table. It's more than just entertainment. It's a meditative, immersive experience that transforms your downtime into something meaningful and beautiful. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you've enjoyed this spotlight on one of the best Bgraamiens puzzles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what puzzle you'd love us to review next. Thanks for watching, and happy puzzling!